Today, we are going to do this partner pose yoga sequence. We will do the posture of the house, the great bridge, the warrior, and the chair. Are you ready? Let's get started. Join your hands over your heads. Walk back and gently lower your chest, making together a house. Breathe deeply. Put both hands on your partner's shoulders. Walk back with both feet and build a bridge together. Be gentle and listen to your partner. Now, lift the opposite leg. Find your balance and concentration like a warrior. Keep your legs strong and work together. Take your partner by the wrist. Bend your knees and keep your arms straight. Sit in a chair together. Hang on to your partner with your knees bent. I am grateful for today's practice. Place your hands on your chest, close your eyes, and breathe deeply. Namaste. If you enjoyed the practice, subscribe to our channel for more yoga with us. Find the links to our store in the description. There, you will find our yogi products. See you soon. Swing yoga.